Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to differentiate this type of function. If you are just seeing my video for the first time, do well to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Now let's get started. The question says y is equals to x to the power of x. Then we have to find the derivative, which is the y dx. The first thing I'm going to do is to apply the natural logarithm to both sides. Now the natural logarithm is the logarithm to base e, of which e is a constant number, which is 2.718, approximately 3 decimal place. So now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to rewrite the right hand side. I'm going to rewrite this as, now I'm writing the x to the power of x as x ln x, because this ln also, the same rule that goes for logarithm also apply to this ln also, because both are logarithm, just that they have different base, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to differentiate the left hand side, which is this ln, right? I'm gonna differentiate the ln y. So this, differentiating this now, I will differentiate it with respect to x, so that the derivative becomes 1 over y dy dx, right? Then which is equals to the right hand side, right? This. So for me to differentiate this now, I'm gonna use what they call the product rule, of which the product rule says, so now the product rule says v du dx plus u dv dx. So now what I'm going to do now is that I'm gonna let x equals to either u or v. So I'll be using u for x and v for ln x, right? So now I say let u equals to x and v equals to ln x. So now I'm going to differentiate u equals to x with respect to x. So my du dx is equals to 1, and I will do the same thing for v equals to ln x, so that my dv dx will be equals to 1 over x. Now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to impute it into this, right? I'm going to input it into this expression, right? So what is my v? Don't forget to say our v equals to ln x, right? So I'm going to input ln x for v. So now we have ln x multiplied by du dx. My du dx is 1, right? Multiplied by 1, and I have plus my u is x, right? I have u as x. So x multiplied by my dv dx is 1 over x, this, right? dv is 1 over x, so I have 1 over x. So the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'll multiply this out. Ln x multiplied by 1 is ln x. So I have my ln x like that, right? Then x multiplied by 1 over x, I have 1, right? Because this x is gonna cancel out, right? So I can say this is my 1 here. I get away with this, right? So I have my 1 here. So this is the derivative of x ln x. So now don't forget, we have on the left hand side you have equals to 1 over y, 1 over y dy dx, right? So now the next thing I'm going to do now is that I'm going to multiply all through by y, right? Multiplying all through by y, so I have this, the y dx is equals to y multiplied by ln x plus 1. But don't forget, remember that our y from the given question, our y is equals to x to the power of x, right? From here we know that our y is equals to x to the power of x. So instead of writing y down there, I'm gonna replace it with x to the power of x, right? So now after replacing my y for x to the power of x, we now have dy dx equals to x to the power of x multiplied by ln x plus 1. Now this is the derivative of x to the power of x, right? This is my final answer, right? If you enjoyed this video, subscribe and like, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you.